YouTubers? Today I'm coming to you guys with Church's Chicken again, and I know it's been a while since I made a video, but it's for personal reasons. Anyway, today I have Church's Chicken, and you know what I realized that I said in my last Church's Chicken video is that I never really, I think I was thinking about Popeye's chicken when I was thinking about the hot sauce. So Texas Pete does make sense for chicken that's from Texas. Yeah. Anyway, let's get started. I got my hot sauce and I'm watching Grey's Anatomy. And I'm so late, you guys. I did not know that Grey's Anatomy was on Netflix. And so I'm super behind. I think I finally made it to season 3 on Grey's Anatomy. So that's what I'm watching now. And I think I'm going to be so distracted in watching it because there's just so many seasons. And I'm so very behind. So on here right now, I am where, what's his name? Christina and I cannot think his name right now. We're supposed to get married. I hope they really do get married, but you know. So let's see what happens. Derek and Grace are finally together. And I've been watching Anatomy Grace on all of these shorts. So I'm like, I'm gonna watch the real thing. I don't want a piece of the story. I want the whole story. So, and plus, when I was growing up, my favorite thing was to watch emergency ER and stuff like that. Birth something. I know. I like watching birth stories, and I like watching all the medical stuff. I like it. Let's say, bless this food in Jesus' name, amen. I got no paper towels, y'all. I don't know what I was thinking about. And they didn't give me no paper towels either. They didn't give me paper towels. They gave me a whole bunch of coupons, you know. And there's a lot more. There's a couple more. Well, I got one paper towel over here. Just my luck. Let's get into it. Y'all guys want the first bite? Here you go. I got Dr. Pepper to drink. I'm saving my bones for my dog. Anyway. My daughter, she had surgery yesterday on her nose. My oldest girl. Let me just pause and find one. My oldest girl, she had surgery. She had problems breathing out her nose. Finally figured out why. So they shaved down some of her alloys, whatever, whatever, apnoids. I got a picture, but I don't know if you guys want to see that because I don't know if you guys eating or not. But yeah, so that was done. So she's healing from that. She'll be able to go back to school tomorrow though. No, this is just so good. You know how bad this wants to get. And a crunch. Ah. The crunch. Put me in mind of I just like crunch. I don't know what I was thinking about, y'all. I don't want somewhere else. Oh yeah. I meant to say the crunch is so good that it, you know, it make a real good ASMR. Oh, no, hold my pepper at? Excuse me. I don't even know if y'all could see that. Like, it's still so much pain. Oh my goodness, y'all. My babies are going to be 9 months this month. I cannot believe it. They're growing up so freaking quick. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Usually at the beginning of the video, but meanwhile, I always say at the end. But I mean to say at the beginning. Oh. I don't know if I should do like a celebration video or what. Celebrating me finally making it to 700. That was my goal for last year. I wasn't putting like a big goal because I wasn't posting like I was supposed to anyway. But I finally made it to 700. But I could have made it there before the 1st of January. But that's okay, because I literally was one subscriber off from being 700 for the year of 2023. This year, I should probably set my goals a little bit higher, but I'm going to set my goals to 800 for right now until I see how consistent or how I'm going to be this year. My plan is to be consistent because I want to be consistent with everything that I do. But even if I'm not consistent, I always try to post a couple of videos a month. I like doing them. Alright. Making videos for you guys. Like, I like watching other mukbangers eat. Sometimes I slow down, watch them. Sometimes I pick up. Oh, I've been watching testimony videos. I forgot what they're called. The deliverance videos. Deliverance ministry. I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, love watching those because I enjoy people telling their God stories. Talking about how they went from, doing all of this stuff and fighting God and going against God to God saving their lives and them being a better person. Oh, crap. This is how God saved them, y'all. I love it. I love to hear them talk about how they felt. How God made them feel when God first came into their life. I love it because when I hear it, it makes me really, really happy. And it's a feeling that I've tried to explain to some people and they don't understand it. And to hear, some of these people explain it is exactly how I felt and how I saw it. Like, seriously. The warmth, the actually feeling loved. Like, I know, like, my family loved me and all that stuff, but it's like a different kind of love. Everything looking brighter, everything looking newer, everything just like you just got on a different pair of glasses, so everything is different, more clearer. Man, I'm telling you, I remember walking, just as exercise time. I do the exercise again. Anyway, walking and looking up at the sky. In the sky, the clouds were so defined and they looked like almost like I could touch them. That is how beautiful they were. And let me tell you, it looked like something you would see on a freaking movie. How beautiful it was, and almost like I could touch it. And in my mind, I'm like, everybody can see what I'm seeing, but In reality, they couldn't, because if they could really see what I could see, then they would be amazed. It was so amazing. It was like I was looking at everything that God, Jesus created through a different pair of lenses than what I've been looking through my whole entire life. And ooh, I want everybody to experience a feeling like that, to experience it. Because there's no other feeling like it. None. None. I think the best part about it is you just come as you are. Exactly the way you are. You don't need to change. You don't try to have to make yourself better before you come. You just come as you are. Leave the rest to him, because I know a lot of people got you thinking that you have to come clean and stuff. No. He will make you clean. He's going to make you look at everything in a different perspective. You just got to spend time with him and read his word. And all these other people out there telling you, you got to do this, you got to do that, and you, you know, God love you for who you are. And if you go and listen to all these people, which is not bad to listen to people, and it's not bad to listen to these different ministries, but do not listen to so many people that it drives you crazy and it makes you feel like that serving God is hard. It's not. So people will do it to you. And don't get into the religion thing either. I'm a follower of Jesus Christ. I worship him in spirit and in truth. Follow him in spirit and truth. And you'll learn his voice. And you'll know what he's convicting you about and what he feel like you need to work on. And you're going to make mistakes, because everybody do. And that's what makes him even more awesome, because where other people fault you, he does not. I don't know why I didn't put on my microphone. I just thought about that. Anyway. I just wanted to put that out there. Because excuse me. The end times are near. And the last thing I want to do is scare somebody from God. But I won't have to stay scared. If I can tell somebody about God right here on my little video platform and help them and save them, even if it's just one person, I'm happy to, you know, give you the knowledge. You don't have to go no church building, nothing like that. All you got to do is ask God to come into your heart. There's a prayer for it and stuff, but I'm not gonna pretend like I know it like the back of my hand. Because I don't. But I know it's a sinner's prayer. So I ain't made it all the way through the Bible. I'm still reading the Bible. I'm trying to get to where I need to be. But if you wanted to, I will look it up and put it down in the description below the sinner's prayer and the asking God to come into your heart prayer. So you can, do that. I'm down to one chicken, you guys. Like, this chicken is so good. And it was so fresh and hot when I got it. I don't think I'm gonna eat this because it's a piece of bone in here. Look at that. I was gonna watch Nice Grey's Anatomy, but I'm not gonna be paying attention to it like I'm supposed to. So that is why. Oh, I just paused it. I'm on season 3, episode 21. Do they got more seasons of Grey's Anatomy, or is it just 19 seasons? Ooh. I just want this part to be gone. Oh, man, goodness. I only really like dark meat. I'm so glad that's why I like. I like churches so much. Just trying to make sure I don't get no bone. Yep, it's a bone right now. Yeah. Most definitely a bone. Sadie! I totally forgot. I was doing something. No, that's it. Yeah, piece of bone. Oh, yeah. This is a really good deal, though, y'all. This should be $5. I mean, 5 pieces of chicken, leg and thigh, or tenders, 2 regular sides, and 2 biscuits for $9.99. This was 7 something because, of course, I got the deal. Getting the deals. I like the deals. Ooh, y'all. I'm supposed to be eating popcorn after this, but I don't think I'm gonna make it to the popcorn. I'm gonna be so full. I'm gonna be so full. Last piece. Mm. Whew. I am stuffed. Whew. I think eating the biscuit made me fuller. Excuse me. Just figure if I burp, maybe make some room. I won't feel so stuffed. I am making lasagna for dinner tonight. I might record it and put it on TikTok. You can find me on TikTok. I might have to put my name at the bottom because I changed my name. So I forgot what my name is on there since I changed it. I don't know if I put wonderfully and beautifully made or something like that. Anyway, I'll figure it is, and I put my TikTok at the bottom if you guys want to check out a couple of my, well, that cooking video. It's gonna be quick. It's gonna be quick. It's gonna be really quick. I'm gonna make it quick as I can. Okay. All right. Love you guys.